Hello everyone. Fabric mirroring in Microsoft Fabric is a feature that allows you to create real-time or near real-time replicas of your data from external sources, such as Snowflake, directly within Microsoft Fabric. This means that instead of continuously querying your external database, you can mirror or sync the data into Fabric and use it for various analytical purposes. This approach helps improve performance, ensures data availability within your analytics environment, and provides a unified platform for data processing. Why use Fabric mirroring? Fabric mirroring is used primarily to bring data closer to where it will be analyzed and processed. When data resides in different platforms, querying across these platforms can lead to latency issues, higher complexity, and increased costs. By mirroring the data into Fabric, you centralize your data, enabling faster queries, simplified data management, and a more cohesive environment for analytics and reporting. It's particularly beneficial when you need to integrate data from various sources into one place, allowing for a holistic view of your data landscape. Usage scenarios. The typical usage of Fabric mirroring involves scenarios where data needs to be continuously updated and synchronized for real-time analytics. For instance, a business might use Snowflake for storing massive datasets and want to use Fabric to run complex analytics, machine learning models, or create dashboards with up-to-date information. Mirroring the data ensures that the latest data from Snowflake is always available in Fabric without the need for repeated and potentially costly queries to the Snowflake instance. Advantages. One of the major advantages of Fabric mirroring is performance. Since the data is stored within Fabric, queries are faster because they don't need to reach out to external databases. This also leads to cost savings as you reduce the number of queries hitting your external database, which can be expensive, especially with systems like Snowflake that charge based on the compute resources used. Additionally, Fabric mirroring enhances data availability and resilience. Even if the external source goes down temporarily, the mirrored data remains accessible within Fabric. Disadvantages. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider. Data synchronization is one potential challenge. Keeping the mirrored data in sync with the source can become complex, especially if the data changes frequently or if there are large volumes of data to sync. Additionally, storage costs within Fabric can accumulate as you are essentially duplicating data from your external source. Finally, there's the maintenance overhead. Setting up and maintaining the mirroring process requires careful planning and ongoing management to ensure the mirrored data remains accurate and up to date. Cost considerations. From a cost perspective, while you might save on query costs to your external database by reducing the need to access it frequently, you will incur costs within Microsoft Fabric for storage and the compute resources needed to manage the mirrored data. It's important to weigh these costs against the benefits of improved performance and data availability. Organizations must consider both the initial setup costs and the ongoing costs of keeping the data in sync. Now let's see the how to make connection Fabric with Snowflake. Before establishing the connection, enable to the database mirroring in Power BI tenant settings. Then after establish the connection.